Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your bank account on Binance. Whether you're using it for payments or P2P buying and selling, I'll walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First, open the Binance application on your device. Now, click on the app icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then, click on the setting icon at the top right corner to open your settings. In the settings menu, scroll down and select Payment Method. Once you're in the Payment Method section, click on P2P Payment Method. This is where you'll add your bank account for transactions. I have already added one. Now, click on Add a New Payment Method. You should see a list of available payment options based on your country. In my case, it is showing only one. Maybe this is Binance glitch, or in my region, only one method is available. You can browse all available payment methods if available. Now, enter your bank account number and bank name. The required details may vary depending on your selected option. Once you've entered your details, scroll down and click on Confirm. I have already added, so I did not add again. After click on Confirm, you may be required to verify your password. After that, your bank account is successfully added. And that's it. You've successfully added your bank account to Binance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.